Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Audrey, the travel mama. Back a month ago, I put my 3 travel Hoyas into Leca. Hopefully changing their growing environment can help them to grow in something. Today, I'm gonna update this experiment to show you guys how these 3 Hoyas are doing after staying in semi-hedgerow for a month. All my 3 plants right here with me, and I'm gonna show you guys one by one. The first is the fishtail. Of course, I have to show off this one first because this one probably is the most successful story for all the 3 plants. As you can see, it's no longer a small Hoya catting. It's actually become a new plant for me. It's growing tons of root. It actually starting to grow in root about the first week I put into this Leca bead, and now it has another new growing point. So it's become its own Hoya plant. I also bought the mother plant, the mother Hoya plant from a seller. It's exact same way as I did with this one, just 2 leaves cutting. And I had to say, compared to sphagnum moss or the Leca bee for helping the Hoya to grow in roots, on this particular Hoya, I would definitely say Leca bee will be a good option because it's really the roots growing really fast, and it looks really healthy. My Rosita, Hoya Rosita. I really don't have a conclusion for this one. Actually, it still didn't grow anything. As you can see, there's nothing growing on the tip. There's no new branches branching out or new growing tips that I can see. I would say it's definitely growing some root. You probably can see some green tips on the old root. I just watered those yesterday. So, but I think it might be too early to give a conclusion on this plant. Actually, I speak too fast. I don't know if you can see, there's a growing point right here. So I might have a new growth out of this plant. I just found out today, so yay! This is my Hoya Sunrise. The whole reason I did experiments on Leca is because this one has dying leaves of the plant, and I don't know what to do with it, so I just tried this one on Leca. I really don't have a conclusion on this one either. It has a ton of roots growing. The new root tips. See it better, but talking about leaves, it does has a little bit of thing growing. As you can see, it's starting to wrap around this trellis, but you can see right here the leaves still dying off a little bit, and this one is actually turning yellow right now. So I really don't know, maybe there's just something wrong with this plant. I have no idea. The root seems really happy, but now the leaves, I think I may have to just observe these plants a little bit more and see if it's actually like this environment or not. So inconclusive for this plant. So this ends my today's video on updating Hoya in Lecas. As I mentioned, there's some inconclusion, but overall I'm really happy with experiments, especially this Hoya Fishtails. And also, I'm actually 5 months pregnant at this moment, so I may not uploading my video as I was hoping for. Some days I just don't feel doing anything. I don't want recording or editing my video, so I apologize for that. I hope you all have a fabulous day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!